Mastering chin control in English conversation. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase you might have heard in English-speaking circles: chin control. It's not a term you'll find in everyday textbooks. So stay tuned as we explore what it means and how you can use it to improve your English conversation skills. Let's dive in. Chin control isn't about physical movement. It's a metaphorical phrase. When someone talks about chin control, they're usually referring to the idea of self-restraint in conversation. It means knowing when to speak and when to hold back, ensuring that your words are appropriate and timed well. In English, timing can be everything. Just like a well-timed joke can bring a room to laughter, a well-timed comment can show your wit and intelligence. Chin control is about harnessing that power of timing to make your conversations more effective. Part of chin control is being a good listener. Before you jump into a conversation, take the time to listen to what others are saying. This not only shows respect but also gives you a better understanding of the conversation's flow, allowing you to contribute more meaningfully. To practice chin control, try to pause before you speak. Think about your words and their impact. Observe others who are good conversationalists. How do they control their participation? Practice active listening. Show that you are engaged with nods and affirmations, but don't interrupt. I hope this video helps you understand and start to use chin control in your own conversations. Remember, like any skill, it takes practice, so be patient with yourself as you learn. Happy conversing, and see you next time.